So good morning. I'm in Bakersfield and I thought why not make a vlog out of it. I got 10 more minutes for checkout. I just can. For some reason I'm here in Bakersfield and I'm going back to LA today. But I'm gonna check out what's around. Hotels are like pretty cheap out here, but if you try to get a decent one, it's gonna cost you like at least more than $100. So yeah, I'll give you a tour of the hotel room. It's nothing exclusive, but you know, whatever you get for the money. Okay, voila. So this is the room. That's some ancient motherfucking TV. Doesn't even have YouTube. And yeah. This is the bathroom. This is the bed. I was sleeping. I just woke up, so. And this the little curtain out here. The view's not that nice. It's just a parking lot. But yeah, guess how much this is? Guess how much this cost me? $140. Should have just went to fucking Vegas and you know, spend another 100 and get a room in Cosmopolitan or like Aria or something. What the fuck did I do? Who the fuck drives to fucking Bakersfield when they're bored? What the fuck is wrong with me, man? Okay, so I'm about to head out and see what's there to do in Bakersfield right now. I'm pretty sure there's nothing to do here, but I heard they have some good ribs and like steaks out here, so I'll just go to a rib spot, I guess, and have some ribs. Nothing beats fucking ribs. But anyways, and the reason I'm recording with my iPhone is because I brought my GoPro, but I left my SD card at home. That's typical fucking me. But it is what it is, and at least I'm vlogging, so yeah, shut up. Let's go. You know what was wrong with me yesterday? I just couldn't concentrate on anything. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. I brought pizza. I didn't even eat it. I ordered room service after that. What the fuck? Well, alright. Pizzas don't go bad, I guess. Right? But anyways, yesterday I saw a guy come into the hotel with some Texas barbecue or whatever. Looked bomb, smelled bomb actually. So I'm probably gonna go check that out. I hope they have ribs. I really want some ribs. I want some quality fucking ribs. I couldn't find ribs anywhere in LA. I mean, they have ribs in LA, it's just not good. If you know a good rib spot in LA, let me know. I'll go. I'll check it out. And I'll vlog about it too. Whatever. Okay, I'm waiting on my food out here. So what I got is I got the tri-tip rib combo, 1 pound combo potato salad, 4 beef ribs, regular cup soda. I approved everything, but the potato salad sucks balls. Okay, I found this nice spot on my way back to LA, so I just turned around and I'm heading back there. Let's see if you guys like it or not. I mean, it's fucking, I don't know, I've never seen those kind of trees. I want to check it out. What kind of trees are they? But yeah, let's go. But it's so fucking hard vlogging with your iPhone. Oh man, should have just bought another SD card, but I didn't have time to go to. Is that a fucking horse? Ah! I want to ride that motherfucking horse. Like, I hope they let you ride that. Okay, this is the place I saw. What kind of trees are these? I've never seen this. Do you guys know? Wait, I'll just turn around and give it a better look. Okay. It's not that bad. I like it. Whatever this is. Okay, just hold on for a second. Let's find a parking spot. Okay, this is cool. I don't know if I can park here. I mean, I'm gonna be taking a picture or two. That's it. So. I mean, it's something. What else is there? I don't know what else is there. If I find something better on my way, I'll stop there too. But this isn't that bad. I mean, this is not. This is not. I mean, this is not bad. Bitch. They say people who takes good pictures of flowers and shit has a beautiful fucking soul. Beautiful motherfucking soul. Yo, look what I found. You see it? Wait, I'll switch the camera. That's a lot of fucking bat. Yo, bat! What's up? You see that fool looking at me? Look at it. Yo, bat! Yeah, you too. Okay, it looks like the visitor center is closed, so I can get down there. But I do see some boats out there. I really wanted to get on a boat. But I mean, this is something, right? Okay, I'm gonna try to get down there. See what's up. If I don't get a ticket. What is this place? Okay, where are we going? Are we even going the right way? Nope, we're not. I think we should just go the other way because I don't see anything happening out there. So. Okay, I don't know if
this is the Pyramid Lake that's haunted, or is it the one in Nevada? But there's one of the Pyramid Lake is haunted, and there's this thing called in America, it's like a Indian legend that it says that there's this thing on the waters, it's called water baby. When you're alone or something, they're gonna call you and they're gonna sound like a crying baby or something. And whenever you go to help them or something, they're just gonna fucking eat you or something like that. You know, I don't know. It's the legend or whatever. I heard it from other people and I Googled it as well. That's what it says. If you wanna know more about it, let me know. Maybe I'll make a vlog about it, or just Google it, you know. But yeah. There's a lot of cases of disappearances in Pyramid Lake. Once again, I'm not sure if it's this one or the one in Nevada. I'll put it on the screen when I figure it out. But yeah. I think I'll stay here for like 5 more minutes. I like it. But it's sad that I can't get down there. I really wanted to get a boat, but it is what it is. Okay, kind of found a better view, so just trying to show you guys from this angle. It's like I'm right on the freeway, for God's sake. Okay, so that's it. Time to head back home. No more stops. Unless I find something really nice. So, yeah.